You've been cleaning your butt the hard way. Seriously. Toilet paper and wet wipes are not cleaner, not healthier, and honestly, not even effective. And trust me, I grew up in Japan, the land of bidets. When I moved back to the US, I tried toilet paper, suffered through it, then immediately went back to bidets. So, here are 10 surprising bidet benefits that prove they're cheaper, cleaner, and way better than wiping. First, let's start with cost savings. If you do the math, the average household spends roughly $564 a year on toilet paper. And if you live by yourself, you're spending about $141 per year. This is hard-earned money that you're literally flushing down the toilet. Now, wet wipes are even worse. These flushable wipes you've been getting, you're paying a premium cost for false advertising, something that still doesn't clean well and is terrible for the environment. A bidet is where the true cost savings comes in. Just a one-time purchase of a bidet attachment cleans you for years to come. Plus, it pays for itself after just 3 months. After that, it saves you money every single time you use it because you'll be using less toilet paper. It's one of the few bathroom upgrades that actually makes you money. Let's look at cleanliness next. Toilet paper is a scam. Water cleans better than paper always. If a bird pooped on you, you wouldn't rub it around with a thin piece of paper and call it clean, right? So why do that with your butt? Now, wet wipes are a bit better than toilet paper, but you're still smearing things around instead of removing it. A bidet literally washes everything off with a refreshing, gentle, targeted spray of water. That means less bacteria, less irritation, and way better hygiene. Let's look at what is healthier for your skin next. All that back and forth rubbing from toilet paper causes irritation, itchiness, and discomfort. Plus, toilet paper has bleach and other forever chemicals that are harmful to the delicate skin down there. Similarly, wipes contain harsh chemicals that can cause rashes, sensitivity, or allergic reactions. Sometimes they even dry you out or will mess up your pH balance down there. No one wants an itchy butthole. Now, a gentle stream of water from a bidet prevents chafing, hemorrhoids, and irritation. It's the best option for sensitive skin and reduces inflammation from overwiping. Next, sexual health. Dry toilet paper just doesn't get you truly clean before intimate moments. There will always be residue left over. Wet wipes can irritate the skin and still don't give you that fresh, confident feeling. Now, a bidet is the quickest, safest, and most effective way to get clean before intimacy. It's also your best ally when preparing for anal sex. Check out our videos on that right here on the channel. Be on the lookout as we're sharing our best tips for anal sex beginners in the next video, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Let's take a look at gut-friendly hygiene next. There's a real connection between hygiene, gut bacteria, and stool health. According to this study, if you wipe with toilet paper, there's a 100% chance that you transferred poop particles to your hands. I don't even want to think about the poop particles around my bathroom, home, or on my phone. Now, wet wipes feel cleaner, but as we've already mentioned, they actually spread bacteria around and you're still making close contact with your butt while using them. The same earlier mentioned study found that conversely, 93% of people who use a bidet do not have poop bacteria on their hands. So not only are you reducing the spread of poop particles around your skin and home, but bidets also fully eliminate the residue that can cause irritation or infection. Let's look at comfort and luxury next. Toilet paper is just dry wiping. It can leave you feeling raw, uncomfortable, itchy, and just not clean. Ignore all that 3-ply talk. It doesn't improve your wiping experience. The chemicals in wet wipes can sting, and your bathroom may smell since you have to throw them away because wet wipes aren't flushable. Yes, even if it says flushable on the label, it's all false advertising. So you have to throw them away in your bathroom trash or they will clog your pipes. No one wants that. A refreshing spray of water from a bidet turns your bathroom into a mini spa. Some models have luxurious features like instant warm water, heated seats, or automatic open and close lids. A bidet is really daily self-care for your butt. Now, let's look at possible plumbing issues. Toilet paper and wet wipes can both clog your pipes. Wet wipes are the worst though. A fatberg is a giant ball of non-biodegradable items like wipes and tampons mixed with fats, greases, and oils that destroy your plumbing and septic system, causing hundreds of dollars in damage. Using water from a bidet instead of toilet paper eliminates clogs and keeps your bathroom clog and stress-free. We made a whole video explaining the dangers of wet wipes. Check it out after this one. Now, let's look at the environmental impact of each. Toilet paper manufacturing requires 15 million trees to be cut down per year. That's insane. Plus, it takes 35 gallons of water to make just one single roll of toilet paper. You're truly depleting natural resources by using toilet paper. Wet wipes are no better, and we've touched on how they clog sewage systems, and worse, they fill up landfills and pollute waterways and oceans with microplastics and chemicals. Terrible. With a bidet, you're saving trees, reducing waste, and actually using far less water than what's needed to manufacture toilet paper. Yes, it's true. It only takes about half a pint to properly wash with a bidet versus the 35 gallons it takes to make just one roll. You help the planet every time you wash instead of wipe. Now, let's see what your travel-friendly options are. You can bring toilet paper anywhere, but it won't keep you truly clean, especially when you're outdoors. You can travel with wet wipes too, but they spread bacteria, and now you have to carry the dirty ones back with you. With a portable bidet or travel bidet, you can stay clean on the go. You don't have to compromise your hygiene when camping, hiking, road tripping, working at the office, or going to a friend's house. Want to learn more about pooping outside or using portable bidets? We have videos for that too. Check out the video linked here. Finally, which option promotes a cleaner bathroom? If you don't want clogs, all those rolls of used toilet paper and wet wipes pile up in the trash, bringing odor, clutter, and mess. Also, remember the spread of bacteria caused by wiping we talked about earlier? Yeah, gross. A bidet reduces bathroom mess and keeps surfaces cleaner for everyone. Plus, it's amazing for seniors, postpartum recovery, people with limited mobility, or anyone who may need an easier, cleaner bathroom routine. So if you're tired of struggling with toilet paper, dealing with irritation, or just want a better bathroom routine, it's time to upgrade. That's why I recommend Tushy bidets. They're easy to install, affordable, and bring all these benefits straight into your bathroom. Check out all their models through the link in the description and grab your special discount. Thanks for watching. Bye!